Okay, friends, let us our new point today. That is the nomenclature of organic halide. There are two methods which are used for the nomenclature of organic halide. First one is common method. Second one is IUPAC method. Yes, in organic halide we should have to give the study about the nomenclature of alkyl halide, aryl halide, and aryl alkyl halide. Otherwise, you can say benzylic halide. First of all, we'll start from alkyl halide, then aryl halide, then aryl alkyl halide. Alkyl group having one carbon is methyl. Only one group is there. Alkyl group having two carbon is ethyl. Alkyl group having three carbon, primary propyl and secondary propyl. Alkyl group having four carbon, primary butyl, secondary butyl, tertiary butyl and isobutyl. And next, this is phenyl. First of all, we will try to write down the structure. Yes, methyl group के साथ Cl जोड़ दो. Alkyl group having two carbon के साथ Cl जोड़ दो. Yes, हेलोजन की जगह हम we can take फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ सिंप्लीफिकेशन के लिए we will take Cl. 3 कार्बन वाले ग्रुप 2 है, ओपन वैलेंसी टू सेटिस्फाई बाय Cl. देन 4 कार्बन वाले 4 ग्रुप है, वहां Cl लगा दो. देन 2 कार्बन एटम्स एंड बोथ कार्बन के साथ 2 क्लोरीन जुड़े हैं. अभी 3 कार्बन ले लो, तीनों 3 कार्बन के साथ Cl जुड़े हैं. ये हो गए अल्किल हाइड. देन फिनाइल हाइड, तो ये बेंजीन के रिंग पर एक Cl. Yes, 2 chlorine atoms on benzene ring on ortho, meta and para position. Then ये बेंजीन के साथ 1 कार्बन, उसके साथ 1 Cl, 2 Cl, 3 Cl. बेंजीन के ऊपर 2 कार्बन एटम्स, टर्मिनल कार्बन के साथ Cl, जिस कार्बन के साथ बेंजीन जुड़ा उनके पर ही Cl. और ये अनसैचुरेटेड ऑर्गेनिक हैलाइड, ये विनाइल ग्रुप है, एलाइल ग्रुप है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन फॉर द बोथ कॉमन एंड IUPAC मेथड. सन suffix. Yes, in common method halide is to be used as a suffix. Alkyl halide, alkyl group having 1 carbon, you can say methyl, 2 carbon ethyl, 3 carbon propyl. लेकिन 3 carbon के बाद we should have to use primary, secondary and tertiary, this type of words as a prefix. In IUPAC method, halo is to be used as a prefix. halo alkane, यहाँ alkyl है, यहाँ alkane है. And for numbering, in common method, numbering is to be given as alpha, beta, gamma, whereas in IUPAC method, numbering is to be given as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One more thing, in both common as well as IUPAC method, numbering is to be given from, yes, from the carbon atom which is directly attached with halogen. जहाँ जिस halogen जिस कार्बन से जुड़ा वहां से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट होता है. अच्छा, now you see, this is methyl chloride. Yes, common method में we will go from left hand side to right hand side. IUPAC में हम रिवर्स चलेंगे. ओके, तो मिथाइल क्लोराइड IUPAC में क्लोरोमीथेन. यस, दिस इज 2 कार्बन, तो इथाइल क्लोराइड, IUPAC क्लोरोइथेन. 1, 2, 3 कार्बन की चेन है. दिस इज प्राइमरी प्रोपाइल क्लोराइड. इन IUPAC मेथड, propane having 1 chlorine atom, but the position of chlorine is on first carbon. That's why it is known as a 1-chloropropane. This one is secondary propyl group. secondary propyl chloride is the common name, and 2-chloropropane. Longest carbon chain is having 3 carbon atoms. That's why नाम के पीछे we should have to mention propane having chlorine on second carbon, 2-chloropropane. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4 carbon butyl, primary butyl chloride. This is 1-chlorobutane. This group is secondary butyl group having chlorine, that's why secondary butyl chloride. IUPAC name is 2-chlorobutane. Yes, 2-chlorobutane. Okay, this one is tertiary butyl chloride, common name. IUPAC name में longest carbon chain having only 3 carbon, that's why नाम के पीछे propane आएगा, 2-chloro-2-methyl propane. This group is isobutyl, common name is isobutyl chloride, and IUPAC name is 1-chloro-2-methyl propane. Its common name is ethylene dichloride, E for ethylene, D for di, C for chloride. In IUPAC method, yes, 2 carbon, that's why ethane is to be mentioned at last, 1,2-dichloroethane. This is common name is propylene trichloride. IUPAC name, longest chain having 3 carbon atoms. That's why propane is to be mentioned at last. Moreover, 3 chlorine atoms are present. That's why trichloropropane, 1,2,3-trichloropropane. Common name is phenyl chloride. Its IUPAC name is chlorobenzene. This is a structure in which 2 chlorine atoms are there. Yes, common name. Both chlorine atoms are on ortho position. That's why it is known as ODCB, ortho dichlorobenzene. IUPAC name is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. ये numbering दे दो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1,2-dichlorobenzene. Next one. This is the product of benzene, but dichlorobenzene. But the position of both chlorine atoms are on meta position. That's why it is known as a meta-dichlorobenzene. And IUPAC name will be 1,3-dichlorobenzene. This is also dichlorobenzene, but the position of both chlorine atoms is in para position. That's why para-dichlorobenzene. And IUPAC name will be 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Okay. Yes, this one, in case of this compound, this group is known as a benzyl chloride. IUPAC name will be chlorophenyl methane. Yeah, this is common name is benzyl dichloride. IUPAC name will be dichlorophenyl methane. This is common name is benzotrichloride. Trichlorophenyl methane will be its IUPAC name. Now benzene के बाद 2 कार्बन है. Yes, numbering is to be given from the carbon atom which is directly attached with chlorine. Common में देखो अल्फा पोजीशन पे Cl है, बीटा पोजीशन पे फिनाइल है. बीटा फिनाइल इथाइल क्लोराइड. This is a common name. In IUPAC method, 1-chloro-2-phenyl ethane. Yes, in case of this compound, Cl जिस कार्बन के साथ जुड़ा वहां से नंबरिंग is to be started. Alpha phenyl ethyl chloride. Its IUPAC name will be 1-chloro-1-phenyl ethane. Yes. Now you see this portion is known as a vinyl group and this one is a allyl group. We already completed this portion. Yes, vinyl chloride. This is allyl chloride. What is the difference between vinyl and allyl? If one CH2 is to be added with vinyl, and then vinyl will convert it into Li. In IUPAC method, numbering is to be started from, yes, 1 Na2. 1 chloro, eth, 1 in, alkene. There are two functional groups, Cl and double bond. Double bond is more reactive. तो यहाँ भी इसमें भी there are two functional group, double bond and Cl2. Double bond is more reactive. That's why numbering is to be given from that side. Double bond will start as early as possible. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से नंबरिंग देंगे 3 chloro, prop 1 in. ओके फ्रेंड्स, यस शर्मिला स्वीटी, खत्म करें आज, नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे. ओके, सी यू.